Good morning students. In previous class we discussed about the theory part up to 8 chapters. So in the theory part alli 8 chapter idavri infrastructure ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So as well as we covered in statistics with economics third chapter ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So in that third chapter we already studied about the raw data, what is raw data and the classification of data. So in that classification of data there is a time series data is there. On the basis of time we are distributing the data, and qualitative classification according to the characteristics of the data we are classifying the qualitative classification or data, and quantitative classification is there according to the numbers, according to the quantity we are classifying the data. And also in the third chapter we studied about the how to mark the tally marks also, and frequency array and bivariative frequencies also. Today class we discuss about the chapter 4 presentation of data. So first we collect the data. So na first second chapter ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, collect ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, how we are going to collect the data ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. Next in the third chapter we organize the data, means how we are going to organize the collected data. So after the organization the next step is the presentation of data. So organize ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ನಾವು next step ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, presentation of data. So in this chapter we studied about the how to present the collected or organized data in this chapter. So here presenting the data there is a mainly three types are there. So first is the textual or descriptive presentation. So textual or descriptive presentation, and second is the tabular presentation, and third is the diagrammatic presentation. So in the first textual, in the first step or classifying the presentation of data, textual meaning ella data iruttade nimage text ಮೂಲಕನೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Okay, so next in the tabular ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we are presenting the data in the form of table. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, data ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ in the tabular classification. Okay, next in diagrammatic presentation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, diagram means we are classifying the data into diagrammatic. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಾರ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬಾರ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಬಾರ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಬಾರ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಬಾರ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿ diagrammatic presentation of data ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So today we discuss about the first is the classification of presentation of data. First is the textual or descriptive presentation ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So here textual presentation of data means already we know that the name itself tells about the textual means here the data in the form of text. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ text ಮೂಲಕನ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ data. See here in the textual presentation of data data are described within the text. See here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, data are described within the text means ಇಲ್ಲಿ text ಮೂಲಕನ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ data describe ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Next, when the quantity of data is too large, this form of presentation is more suitable. So ನಮಗೆ ಡಾಟಾಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತವೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟೂ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವಾಗ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ suitable for the data ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. See, this is the example for the textual presentation of data. See here, in a bun call given on 8th September 2005 means ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬಂದ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. See here 2005 ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಂದ್ ಅಂತ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. And here protesting the hike in prices of petrol and diesel. 5 petrol pumps were found open. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 petrol pumps ಏನಾಗಿ open ಆಗಿದಾವೆ means here in the form of text they are presenting. See, and 17 were closed. So here 5 petrol pumps are open and 17 were closed, and here 2 schools were closed and remaining 9 schools were open found ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. See, this is the example for the textual representation of the data. In this example they are given as ಎಲ್ಲ data ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಲಿ text form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is about the textual representation of the data. So here it is the case 2 example for the textual presentation of data. So case 2 means example. Census of India 2001 reported that the Indian population. So here we aim madari 2001 alli em madara report madara. So according to the census 2001, here Indian population had been risen to 100 crore, of which only 49 were females against 53 crore males ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So this is about the textual presentation of data. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡಾಟಾ ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. So here in both the cases data have been presented in the form of text ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So here as well as the first case it is also data are in the form of text, and it is the second example is also in the form of text ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. And there is a second is the tabular presentation of data. So first one is the textual presentation of data in the form of we are presenting the text in the form of we are presenting the all text in the textual presentation. So in the form of tabular presentation of data. So here we are presenting the data in the form of table anta helteve. Data in the form of table. So here in a tabular presentation of data are presented in the rows. Rows means horizontally rows anta helteve. Next rows andre horizontally rows and columns anta bartave. Rows means ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ horizontally like that. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ rows ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. So ಇವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ columns ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Okay. So here and columns vertically. So ಇವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ vertical columns and rows are in the horizontal. Next for example see this table. Here it is the male, female and total. So these are the three rows and columns here sex and rural and urban. So these are the three columns anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So all these are called as the cells anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ three rows ಅದಾವೆ, three columns ಅದಾವೆ. So ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ನಮಗೆ only about cells anta ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ cells anta ಕರೀತೀವಿ. See here next female, male and total. So here rows ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ male, female and total are the rows ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Next here columns means columns under sex, rural, urban are the columns ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So rows 3 ಅದಾವ್ರಿ, columns 3 ಅದಾವ. So 9 totally 9 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ cells ಅಂತ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Next there is again in the form of tabular presentation of data. So tabular presentation of data ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ again ನಿಮಗೆ types ಬರ್ತವೆ. First is the qualitative and second is the quantitative and third is the temporal and last one is the spatial. So here in the form of qualitative means here qualitative means the presentation of data only tells about the characteristics or the attitudes. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ qualitative ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ data the characteristics ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. See here sex and location. See here sex means here female and male. So location ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ rural and urban ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. In quantitative ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ presenting the data in terms of numbers. So ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ numbers ಅಲ್ಲಿ datas ಅನ್ನು present ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Next temporal. So on the basis of time according to time we are classifying the data. Okay. So next is the spatial. So in the form of spatial means we are classifying the data in terms of location. So ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ location ಮೂಲಕ datas ಅನ್ನು classify ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So let us discuss about the first is the qualitative presentation of data. See here in the qualitative classification when classification is done according to the attributes means ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ characteristics ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ divide ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ distribute ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. See here such as social status ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು or physical status ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು nationality ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು or etc. So here in this form in this example the attributes for classification are sex and location. See here sex means it is also tells about the female and male means it is the characteristics ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ attributes ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. Next location ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಂತ ನಮಗೆ rural and urban areas ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. So qualitative classification is nothing but it is dividing or distributing the data in terms of characteristics or attributes ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So dear students, today we discuss about the chapter 4 presentation of data. So in this chapter we studied like how we are going to presenting the data. There is a mainly three categories are data like textual or descriptive presentation and tabular representation and diagrammatic representation. So in the form of textual presentation we are presenting the all data in the form of text, and the second is the tabular presentation of data. So here we are presenting the data in the form of table, rows with the columns classify. Again there is a types are there for classifying the tabular presentation.